So look at this is tens block and this is ones block. So in this video we will learn how to add the numbers. It can be one digit numbers or it can be two digit numbers. So be ready for it. What is the first question? First question is that add 5 and 3. So I am writing here 5 and we have to add 3 in this. You will ask, sir, why did you write these numbers in ones column? Because these are the one digit numbers. That's why I have written these numbers in ones. Okay. So look here, and for 5 I will put here 5 ones block 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and for 3 I will put here 3 ones block 1, 2 and 3, means 5 and 3. Now add both blocks. Now count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, means total is 8. So when we add 3 in 5 we will get 8, right? Good. So look here, we have solved this question and we can also write like this: 5 plus 3 equals 8, right? Look at the next question. Next question is that add 63 and 4. So I am arranging this number. So look at this question, but this is a 2-digit number and this is a 4-digit number, and we will put bigger number at the top. So look here, where will 3 go? We have learned face value and the place value of the numbers. So you know how do we write this 63? So where will 3 come? 3 will go in this ones column. Where will 6? 6 will come in tens column. And where will we write 4? In this column here. You will say, no sir, this is wrong. Why? Because it is a one digit number and it will come in the ones column. Good. So I am erasing this. It was wrong. So I will write this in ones. It like this. So look here, for this 3 I am putting here 3 ones, 1, 2, 3, right? For this 4 I am putting here 4 ones, 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? Means 4 and 3. Now count this together. We combine this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We got 7. So how much will we write here? We will write here 7. Okay. Now come at this. This is 6. What 6? 6 tens. So I will take tens block here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Is there any number written here? There is no number, isn't it? Yes. So we have to add, means there is nothing. So now we will put 6. Means when we add 63 and 4, we will get 67. Okay, now we will add this number 74 and 23. So how do we write which bigger number here? Bigger number is 74. So we will write 74 at the top and 23 at the bottom. So how do we write it? Where will 4 go? 4 will come in the ones column. Why? Because it is at the ones and 7 is at the tens place. So we will write 7 here, and 3 will come in ones because it is ones and 2 is at the tens. So 3 will come here and 2 will come here. This we have to add these numbers. So look here, for 4 I am taking here 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. For this 3 I am taking 3 blocks. 1, 2 and 3. Now add this together. It will be, now count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So it means when we add 4 and 3 we will get 7. Now look here, these are the 7 tens. So this is 7. So look here, I am putting here tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, and downside there are 2 tens are here, so 1 and 2 downside. So look here, and now we have to add these numbers. Add means when we put together. Okay, right? So look here, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Means when we add 2 in 7, we will get 9, right? So like this you will add your numbers. Just add 8 and 6. So I have written these numbers here, 8 and 6. So for this 8 I am taking 8 blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For this 6 I am taking 6 blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. As we have to add these numbers, so we will put all these blocks together. So look here, 1 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are the 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So look here, these are the 10s. These are the 10, means these are the 10 blocks, right? So these are the 10 blocks. So look here, in one's column only one's number will live. Okay, means we can put here only one's blocks. These are the one's block, but these are in number of 10. So we can replace this, means this will move to this here. Okay, in tens. So look here, means now I am replacing these blocks with this one. Okay, so it means when we add 8 and 6, how many ones? We will get 4 ones. How many tens? 1 tens. So like this you will add this. Okay, 8 and 6 will be 14. And now we will add these numbers, 53 and 29. So we know that where we will write 53. How do we write 53 and how do we write 29? Right? So look here, we have to add these numbers. So for this 3 I am taking 3 ones block, 1, 2 and 3, right? For this 9 I am taking here 9 tens block. Sorry, ones block, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. As we have to add these numbers, so I am putting all these numbers together, right? So now count this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Means whenever you will get 10, then you will have to move this block to the next one. So I told this is and this block had formed a tens block. So look here, isn't it? So this is tens, these are the 2, 10 and 2, 12. And when we add 9 in 3, we will get 12. So 2 will here, we got 2. These are the ones block will live here, and this is formed at a tens block. So we can replace this with this tens block. Yes, we can. So where is the home of tens block? Tens block home is this. It will come this side. Okay, now move next. Okay, for this 5 we will put here 5 tens block, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, correct. For this 2 we will put here 2 tens block. So now as we have to add these numbers, so we will put all these tens block here. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. But listen, we have put this block also here. So add this block here. Okay. So now count how many tens block are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Right. So in this tens column we will write here 8. And here we will write, here two blocks are there. We will write here 2. So it means we got 82. If we add 53 and 29, we will get 82. Right? Okay, now we will add three digit numbers. So look here, this is our question. We have to add 374 and 215. So we all know that how do we write these numbers in the place value table. Look at this. This is at the ones place, and this is the tens place, and this is the hundred place. So it will come here, and 7 will come in this tens, and 3 will come in this 100. And how do we write this? We will also write this number. 5 will come here, and 1 in this tens column, and 5 will come in this 100. Oh, I forgot to write here 100. It is hundreds column. Okay, it is hundreds, ones, tens and hundreds. So like this we will add. So look here, we will start our add means addition from ones. So for this 4, I am taking 4 ones block, 1, 2, 3 and 4, right. For this 5, I will take here 5 ones block, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So as we have to add these numbers, now I am putting all these numbers together. So now count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 9 blocks are here. So we will write here. We will write here. We will write here 9. What will come here? 9 will come here. Now look at this. The tens column this is. So I am putting here 7 tens blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Right. For this one, I will put here 1 tens block. As we have to add this number 7 and 1, so now we will put all this number, all these blocks together. So now count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 blocks are there. So we will write here 8. Now move to next. These are the hundreds. So look here. This number is 100. Oh sorry. In this number there is 2. Okay, we have written a 5. So it has been wrong. Put it right here 2. Okay. Now it is correct. So for this I am taking here 300 blocks. 1, 2, 3. These 300 block are for this 3, and for this 2 I am taking here 200 blocks. These 2. As we have to add this, we will put all these blocks together, and now we will count it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 means 500. Means 500 means 5 will come in this 100. So now look at this. This is 500. Like this we will solve these questions. So now we will add 3 digit numbers. So this is our question is that 574 and 339. We have to add these numbers. So look at this. How do we write these numbers? First, this is bigger number. We write at the top. So where will 4 come? 4 will come here, and 7 will in this, 5 in this, and 9 will come in this, and 3 here, and 3 will come in this. Okay, right. So now how do we add these numbers? So look here. For this 4 in the ones column, so I am taking ones block here. 1, 2, 3 and 4, right. For this 9, I will take here 9 ones block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. As we have to add these numbers, we will put all these blocks together. So look here, count it together, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is 10, these are 3. So means we all know that whenever we take 10 ones block, okay, means 10 ones block form a tens block, means form a tens block. It looks like a tens block, isn't it? So look here, only ones block will stay here, these are the ones, and now this is, it can be replaced with the tens. So look here, okay, so we will carry forward this here in tens. We will transfer this 10 in this, right? And now we will do these questions. So how many numbers are there? Here is 7. So we will put here 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 is here. 7 tens block. And for this 3 we will put here 3 tens block. 1, 2 and 3, right? So look here, these are 3. As we all know that we are adding these numbers, so addition means put things together. I have put all these blocks together. Now count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 10 and this is 1 also, and now 11. So 11 is there, 11 tens. So look here, and do you know how many tens? 11 tens are there. So this 10 here I am putting. 1 means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Means 100, we got the 100 here, so it will be transferred in this hundreds block like this, okay. So 1 tens will stay here, only 1 tens. As we know that 10 tens will make 100, means, okay. So we will put here 1. So look here, right now I am writing here, there are 3 blocks, so we will write here 3, here we will write 1. This much we have solved. Now come at this 100 will put there, and for this 5 we will take 5 hundreds block. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, correct. For this 3 we will take 3 hundreds block. So 1, 2 and 3, right? As we know that whenever we add the numbers, we put things together, right? So put all these blocks together. Now count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But listen, we are forgetting something here. This is also 100. Look at this. Is it 100? Yes or no? Is it 100? So look here, this can be replaced with this block. Yes or no? Look at this. Can you make any difference with this? Can you make any difference with this? No, we cannot make any difference, because 10 tens is like a 10 tens means 100, okay. So look here, we will put it here. So now count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many hundred? 900, means 9. We will write here 9 in this, okay. So 900s are here, 913, okay. Like this we can add the numbers of 3 digits.